Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm going to make a simple cake, 3 ingredients, whipped topping, crushed pineapple, and angel food cake. Now at the end of the video I'm going to show you a little more update of the garden. My flowers are opening up, it's beautiful. I thought I would share. Alright, well let's get busy making the cake so first. We're going to take one box of angel food cake mix. Pour that in the bottom. And then I got a can of crushed pineapple minus probably enough, because I did up a recipe where I threw in just a little bit of pineapple in my flip-flop cakes. If you guys are interested in me showing you how to make flip-flop cakes, let me know. They are fun and adorable, and I also make up little ladybug cakes too, bug cakes. So that's it, guys. This is all what we're going to do. And this is our cake. So I'm going to put on the paddle. And we're going to mix it up. Alright. Got a 9x13 glass pan. Now, they said not to spray it. I sprayed it. I do. Now, you can add, at this time, this is what your cake looks like. Just with the pineapple and the cake mix. Isn't that awesome? Now you can add mandarin oranges in with this. You could add cut up maraschino cherries, add nuts. You could make an ambrosia cake. They are wonderful. And it's low-cal, you know, but you can add whatever your little heart desires to this. But because the frosting I made was a cherry frosting. Actually, it was in the video before this. So it's a whipped topping frosting. Otherwise, you would just do the cake. You would have the cake mix, a can of pineapple, crushed pineapple. If you don't got crushed, crush it, pineapple. And then whipped topping on the top. But like I said, I made my homemade. You want to level it off pretty good. So I put this in the oven at 350 and we'll be back in about 20 minutes or so. I just took it out of the oven. It's nice and golden brown everywhere. It smells amazing. And then as soon as it cools, I'll put my whipped topping on it. Well, I thought I had the camera on and I didn't. So that's my homemade whipped topping on the top. And there it is. It's a real fun, yummy summer dessert. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so this is the flowers I got. I'm going to make little planters out of them. Aren't this beautiful? And then here's my other one. Those are fuchsias. I got 3 of those. And then I got some plants that are coming back every year. And then, oh, I love that petunia. Elysium. And then I got some snapdragons. Oh my gosh, I love this. And a little bit more petunias, and I loved that color, so I bought it. This is a geranium. These are azaleas, but it closed up on me. It gives you a little bit of an idea what it looks like. And then I got the little ones there. I just love those colors. Watch out, Charlie. Isn't this pretty? I'm gonna put that in with the asparagus, is what it's called, fern. I'm gonna put that in with the fuchsias, I think. And then look at these. Those cute. And then I got this little one. And then these are, I got them for 50 cents. And it's those ones that grow up and they have the flower on them. So pretty. Okay, so a quick tour. My little forget-me-nots. And look at my irises. Them beautiful. I love spring. And then look at this one. Oh my gosh. He's a beaut. They're so beautiful, and that's what they look like inside. But my peonies aren't open yet. Pretty soon. My rhubarb was starting to bolt, but it's regrowing. Globe flower. All right, and then this iris is pretty. And let's see what you look like inside. She looks like inside. We'll cover her back up. My Oriental poppies. Mandevilla onions that sprouted. So I planted them and they're growing really good now. And then this jewel something, I can't remember the name of it. But anyways, it broke at the store we were at. The guy gave it to me, so we just shoved it in the ground. And I got all these beautiful irises that are in bloom. Aren't they pretty? And then my peonies over here that aren't sprouted yet or flowered yet, but when they do, I'll let you guys know. All right, so what'd you think? Did you like the garden? Did you like the plants that I'm gonna make planters out of? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you're gonna do make this dessert. All right, everyone, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.